Got a 2016 Mazda cx5 replacing LED headlights. Not the halogen ones, but the ones with the daytime running lights. So you gotta replace the whole thing. Take the bumper off, which isn't really too hard. There's a lot of videos, but I did see that most of them aren't detailed on the spots that I have trouble with. So like this, I forgot what it was called. I will put it on the description, but this I did not know how to take off, which I broke. Broke it a little bit, still works. Still works. So it's easier if you take it off when you take off the headlight. So these little things right here, you just push them in. I use some pliers. Got these at Harbor Freight. These work perfectly. Perfect size, everything worked perfectly. Yeah, perfectly. And then from the videos I was watching, they look all the same. The wiring looks the same. Of course, you have, I think this is for the AFS. This one, then your regular bulb, and then the rest is just wires. You can't take these off. This is part of the headlight. You can't take these off. And then this one right here. But it's exactly just like the other headlight removables from the halogen ones. You just remove the main power clip from here, and then from here too. So some videos didn't show how to remove this. So what I did is, where's my little flathead? I got this little flathead. I forgot where I got these. I think at Harbor Freight. And I just pushed in and then pulled this thing towards me, and then just came off. Pretty simple. And then of course this thing comes here. I couldn't for the life of find what this piece was called, so I used Google, I think Google Gemini or something. Take a picture of it and it tells you what it is. So thanks for that. And yeah, it's pretty much it. Some of the videos don't really clarify, and none of them have these LED ones. Everybody has the halogen ones, but practically the same, just of course different. And yeah, we'll see how everything goes. I got the extra, I bought one just to make sure it works off eBay. These run a lot, especially at the dealership, so I took the challenge and see if I could complete it. So just finished replacing the headlights. This is the old one. And then this is a new one. I just ordered the other one, so we'll replace that once I get it. This is a new one.